What if everything you thought you knew about off-road SUVs was about to change? What if legendary toughness met next-generation intelligence? And what if one name, one icon, came back stronger than ever? This is the all-new 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. And it's not just a comeback, it's a complete evolution. The Land Cruiser name has always stood for one thing: unstoppable reliability. From deserts to mountains to cities, it's built a legacy few vehicles can match. But this new FJ? It's aiming higher. It's sharper, more refined, more intelligent, and possibly the most balanced SUV Toyota has ever created. Let's start with the face, because this is where everything changes. The design is clean, wide, and unapologetically bold. That ultra-slim LED light bar stretches across the front like a signature, modern, almost futuristic. It hints at electric design language. But make no mistake, this is still a Land Cruiser. Front and center, the Toyota lettering replaces the traditional badge. It's confident, minimal, intentional. And below that, a rugged, sculpted bumper with a massive skid plate, built not just to look tough, but to be tough. From the side, the heritage becomes unmistakable. Boxy proportions, upright stance, muscular presence. This is classic Land Cruiser DNA, reimagined. High ground clearance? Check. Squared wheel arches? Absolutely. Aggressive off-road tires? Of course. But then you notice the details. A sharp shoulder line. Floating roof design with dark pillars. Clean, modern surfacing. It's rugged, but refined. Utility meets premium design. Now the rear, arguably the strongest angle. A full-width LED light bar glows in deep red, giving it a futuristic signature at night. The tailgate is bold and squared. The Land Cruiser FJ branding stands proud. And the lower section? Chunky, durable, off-road ready. Dual exhaust surrounds. Protective cladding. Wide stance. This SUV doesn't just look capable. It feels planted. Step inside, and everything shifts. Because this is where rugged meets modern luxury. Dominating the dashboard is a massive ultra-wide digital display. It seamlessly combines instrument cluster, navigation, media, off-road data. Everything is clean, sharp, and driver-focused. And thankfully, Toyota didn't forget usability. You still get physical controls, real buttons, a proper gear selector. Because when you're off-road, you don't want to fight a touchscreen. The materials? Premium, but durable. This is a cabin built for both city comfort and mountain adventures. While official specs are still under wraps, we can make some very educated guesses. Expect a turbocharged 2.4L or 2.5L hybrid setup, possibly paired with Toyota's iForce Max system. That means more torque, better efficiency, and proven reliability. Add in full-time AWD, advanced terrain management, multi-drive modes, and what you get is a machine built to dominate both asphalt and dirt. So where does this FJ sit in the lineup? Right in the sweet spot. More affordable than the flagship Land Cruiser, but more capable than your average SUV. Expected price? Around $45,000 to $65,000, which makes it not just desirable, but accessible. As for release, we're likely looking at late 2026 or early 2027 for global markets. And if Toyota plays this right, demand is going to be massive. So what is the 2027 Land Cruiser FJ really? It's not just a redesign. It's not just nostalgia. It's a statement. A statement that says, you can honor the past while building the future. It's rugged, but refined. Modern, but authentic. And honestly, this might be the Land Cruiser that wins over an entirely new generation. So now I want to hear from you. Would you take this FJ deep into the mountains? or keep it clean in the city? Drop your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because the future of SUVs is just getting started.
Thank you.